1. 1970 Buick Riviera 455 V8, $6,500, Boise, Idaho. This 1970 Buick Riviera, equipped with a robust 455 V8 engine and a 4-barrel carburetor, embodies Buick's classic muscle aesthetic and engineering. Though it's a car with typical rust spots and a need for front brake replacement, it maintains a solid foundation for restoration. The car comes with all original parts, including wire wheel covers, brake drums, and the carburetor, making it ideal for enthusiasts aiming to bring it back to factory specifications. With 58,000 miles, true mileage unknown, and factory AC, this Riviera offers a genuine vintage experience at a reasonable price. Two, 1971 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $5,500, San Juan Capistrano, California. A true classic for pickup enthusiasts, the 1971 Ford F-250 Camper Special features a 390 V8 engine and automatic transmission, ideal for those interested in a vintage truck with solid hauling capabilities. The truck has undergone several upgrades, including new tires, front disc brakes, rear brakes, exhaust, shocks, and coil springs, enhancing its roadworthiness. It has minimal rust, which is a plus for a truck of this age, and retains the original black and gold California plates. With a clean title and notable recent repairs, this F-250 is a durable classic ready for use. Three, 1977 Dodge Pickup, $5,000, Roseville, California. This 1977 Dodge 4x4 pickup, powered by a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission, is a rugged option for enthusiasts who appreciate classic trucks. It carries a salvage title and is suitable as a restoration project due to its fair condition. Known for their sturdy frames, Dodge pickups from this era are highly collectible among vintage truck aficionados, especially given their dependable 4-wheel drive capabilities. This particular truck will need attention, but it could be a rewarding project for the right buyer. So 4, 1973 Ford Ranchero GT, $8,500, Omaha, Nebraska. The 1973 Ford Ranchero GT combines the utility of a pickup with the performance of a sports car. Equipped with a 351 Cleveland V8, a C4 automatic transmission, and Magnum 500 wheels, this GT model retains many of its original components. It has undergone front-end suspension repairs to improve ride quality. The Ranchero's body shows typical rust, but is in better shape than many cars from the northern states. It requires some attention to the heating and AC systems, but it remains a solid daily driver with the potential for further restoration. Nabashar 5, 1963 Chevrolet Corvair convertible, $8,900, Watsonville, California. This 1963 Chevrolet Corvair convertible in Monza 900 trim offers a charming slice of 1960s Americana. The Corvair's pancake 6-cylinder engine and rear-wheel drive setup deliver a unique driving experience. It has been well maintained with new brakes, tires, and carpet, and shows no signs of rust, which is rare for convertibles of this age. In addition, the vehicle features rebuilt carburetors and runs smoothly, making it a good candidate for those seeking a stylish, vintage open-top cruiser. Hasher 6, 1969 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $7,500, Browns Valley, California. A reliable choice for vintage truck enthusiasts, this 1969 Ford F-250 Camper Special is powered by a 360 V8 engine with a C6 automatic transmission. The truck retains its original patina with minimal rust, and recent maintenance includes a new intake manifold to stop oil leaks. With just over 81,000 miles and a clean cab and bed, this F-250 offers durability for vintage truck lovers, alongside the convenience of a heater and nearly new tires. This classic truck is well suited for further restoration or everyday use. Seven, 1966 Ford Falcon Ranchero, $8,600, Davis, California. The 1966 Ford Falcon Ranchero is a unique blend of coupe and pickup, designed for those who want both style and utility. Powered by a 289 V8 with a 3-speed Hurst Indy manual transmission, this Ranchero has been upgraded with dual exhaust, Bluetooth radio, and electronic ignition. Its recent servicing ensures it is a reliable driver with responsive handling. The vehicle shows no signs of leaks and starts up consistently, making it a dependable classic with a vintage flair. Pair 8, 1964 Dodge Dart GT, $4,000, Hayward, California. An affordable entry into the classic car world, this 1964 Dodge Dart GT sports an iconic 225 slant-6 engine and push-button transmission. While the car needs mechanical attention, it does not currently start and has transmission leaks. It includes 3 original hubcaps and other original parts. The Dart GT represents a piece of Dodge's storied history and would make a great restoration project for those who appreciate mid-60s styling and engineering. With some TLC, this coupe could return to its former glory. Nine, 1966 Studebaker Cruiser, $7,500, Mishawaka, Indiana. A rare sight on modern roads, this 1966 Studebaker Cruiser is equipped with a GM 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission. With a midnight blue exterior and an updated interior, it's in good condition with new brakes, tires, suspension, and exhaust. Originally from Colorado, this cruiser is free of major rust issues and is a capable runner. For classic car enthusiasts who value rarity, this sedan offers a unique alternative to more common vintage American cars. 10, 1978 Chevy Truck, $6,500, Ashley, Ohio. This 1978 Chevy short bed truck with a 400 small block engine and 4-wheel drive is a rugged classic for collectors. While it has a solid frame and reportedly runs, it would benefit from a thorough mechanical inspection. The truck shows 53,000 miles on the motor, transfer case, and transmission, but the odometer is broken, so the actual mileage may vary. This classic Chevy offers the distinctive styling of the late 70s and has the potential to serve as either a daily driver or a project truck. 11, 1973 Jeep J4800 Townside Long Bed, $10,500, San Diego, California. A collector's gem, This 1973 Jeep J4800 Townside is a powerful 4x4 with a 360 V8 engine and quadra-track all-time four-wheel drive. With only 2 owners and all service records included, this truck is in excellent mechanical condition, although some minor features need repair. Smog-exempt and equipped with a clean title, it's ready to drive and can also serve as a rewarding restoration project. This J4800 stands out among classic trucks for its durability and off-road prowess, making it a valuable addition to any collection.